Welcome to Mode, your place for modern living. Mode is perfect for first home buyers who are looking to start their home journey here at Cloverton. Mode is about urban living. At its heart, it's a low maintenance, convenient and connected lifestyle. You'll be able to walk out your front door and access our future Metropolitan Activity Centre with ease. One of the great things about Mode is its location at Cloverton. It'll be adjacent to our future Metropolitan Activity Centre and nearby to our future Cloverton Boulevard, which will take you straight up to our Guns Gully interchange onto the Hume Freeway for ease of access across Greater Melbourne. Around Mode, there'll be a lot of future amenities such as active open spaces, primary schools and community facilities. Directly within Mode, there'll be a local convenience centre, multiple parks, a future wetland and waterways. Mode has been designed to have walking and cycling paths, so our young families will be able to enjoy a healthy and active lifestyle. You'll be able to take your kids down to our local parks, waterways and wetlands. One of the exciting things about Cloverton is our future Metropolitan Activity Centre, which will be the home to future retail, commercial, educational and medical facilities. We'll be working with Victoria's best builders to offer a range of affordable land sizes and modern townhomes. You can really live more for less at Mode.
"2024 has been an incredible year for Stockland Cloverton. We kicked off the year with the grand opening of Cloverton's third primary school, Bannamorick. Right next door, the KALKALLO North Community Centre opened its doors, offering maternity services, playgroup and more. The community also welcomed the Callo Town Centre, featuring Woolworths, the Coffee Club, Snap Fitness and many other shops and eateries.
2024 was also a huge year for construction at Cloverton. We settled 10 stages totalling over 550 land lots. The bridge connecting Cloverton Boulevard to Donnybrook Road is now complete. Plus, there's a new walking track and an Indigenous art sculpture for residents to enjoy. Looking ahead, Mode Park in Stage 361 is set to open early next year. It will feature a state-of-the-art playground, barbecue facilities, a walking trail, plus plenty more. Keep an eye on our Facebook page for updates.
Our community events brought us together in 2024. The Easter Bunny and Santa both made special visits. We found our inner dancing queens to celebrate Mother's Day and enjoyed toasties and mini golf on Father's Day. During the school holidays, we watched Despicable Me 4 at Craigieburn Central. And we lit up the night at the Festival of Lights, Cloverton's own Diwali celebration. We love bringing our community together and look forward to more chances for you to meet your neighbours in 2025.
Wishing our Cloverton community a safe festive season and a happy new year.
We can't wait to see what is in store for Cloverton in 2025.